Hello children, how are you? Okay, I am your EVS teacher. Have you learned EVS from UKG? Do you know my name? My name is Divya AC. You are EVS teacher. You can call me Divya ma'am. Okay, do you know why you all are staying at home? Yeah, because of lockdown. Without going to school, you all are staying at home because of the COVID-19 or Corona. Okay. Have anybody seen COVID-19? Do you know what is it? What is that? What is COVID-19? What is it? Yes, it is a virus. It is a virus. Corona virus. Okay. Can you see them? No, we cannot see them directly. It is very smallest, very minute. Okay, so using a microscope, the lab technicians all can see them. They only manage it. We cannot do that all things. It is very dangerous. All of you know. So, you see the picture of COVID-19 in newspaper or in television or in WhatsApp, everything. I think you know it's the shape of the virus and all. No? Yeah, otherwise look this picture. Is it like this? This picture is COVID-19. Okay, so this is the picture of COVID-19. Okay. What we want to do to fight against this virus? What do we want to do? Yeah, I think you learned how to wash your hands. You learned how to wash your hands? You just washing like this and going, not like that. Lot of methods are there to wash our hands. It's like you learned in WhatsApp and all. I think your parents showed you the phone. How do we wash our hands? What do we use to wash our hands? What are things you are using to wash your hands? We can use the soap. We can use first thing, that is soap. Next, we can use the hand wash also. Using soap or using hand wash, we can wash our hands properly. Okay? Are you doing this? Yes. From our home also. When we go outside, we should bath. Otherwise, from the home, many things are coming from outside also. Like vegetables, fruits, everything our parents, our father or mother will buy from outside. So all things are coming to our home. So from the home also we should wash everything, especially our hands properly with a hand wash or soap. When we go outside, we will not get the soap or hand wash. We can use the sanitizer also. Before so many years back, the hospitals only use this sanitizers and all. But now we are in lock. We are locked because of this. Which virus? Coronavirus or COVID-19. So that is why everybody using this sanitizer, soap, hand wash, everything. Okay. Then, I think you all are very good children, isn't it? Adi, Eden, Alina, all are there. Krista, Haridev. I think you study. You are doing this properly, washing your hands properly. Before within half an hour or 1 hour intervals, you should wash your hands properly. Okay, so it is a awareness class also. You should follow. That is why you cannot manage these all things from your school. That is why you are sitting at your home. Okay, then by washing our hands, what is the importance of washing our hands? We can break the chain. We can break the chain of coronavirus. If we wash, how many times you are washing? All the times we can break the chain of COVID-19. It is a chain because from one person to another person, it is spreading, isn't it? Now one person COVID is there, next person also COVID will come. So to break the chain, what we want to do, very simple thing, that is washing our hands properly. Only we want to wash our hand. Only we want to wash our hands. No, we can wear one thing. What is this? We can wear this thing also. What is this? All of you have your own. What is this? Yes, this is a mask. This is a mask. You know how to wear this? We can wear the mask like this. Okay? Okay, ready? Then, why do we wear this mask? Why we are wearing mask? The unwanted touching on our nose, mouth, etc. The corona enter into our body through mouth or nose, like that. So we touch some places, then our hands will be touched on our nose or mouth. That is why we are wearing the mask. The unwanted touch on our nose or mouth we can avoid when we wear the mask. Okay, that is why we are wearing, what we are wearing? Mask. Okay, then this is about coronavirus. I have to say. Okay, I am removing this, and now I am at my home, so I don't want this now. So when I go outside, I will definitely wear. What about you? You will wear? Do you wear mask when you go outside? How do we want to wear it? Close our mouth and nose. Close our mouth and nose. Don't wear other way. Okay. Okay. I hope all are safe and stay healthy. Then you forgot about our subject. What is our subject? I am teaching. What is my name? You forgot? Veda? Do you know my name? Say my name. Divya ma'am. Okay. So, our subject is EVS. EVS means Environmental Studies. Okay. Then, we have a textbook. We have a textbook, or Tulips Plus textbook. In this textbook, we have a colored portions here. Our red colored portion is EVS. You can see EVS is written here. So, when we take this lessons, we have 6 lessons to learn in term 1. Term 1, we have to learn 6 lessons. Okay, it's a first lesson, me and my family. So, textbook we already have. We need a 4-line notebook also. Along with this textbook, 4-line notebook is very must thing. Then, next we need a rough book also. We need rough book also. So the teacher will give an introduction about the lesson through this video classes. Then teacher will read the portions. That time you should definitely keep your finger on the textbook where I am reading. Then you repeat it through the online classes itself, through the videos when you are seeing from YouTube. You also read along with me. When I read one thing, you also read yourself from your home. Okay. Then we can learn how to do, how to work, how to learn. Okay. Then you don't worry. Anything will happen. Your parents are there. Parents will help you. Okay. Then notes I will give in the video clips. In the video itself, notes will be there. Then how to write in 4-line and all you learn, I think. Then also I will write in my 4-line notebook and I will send it in the WhatsApp group. Then you will get the notes in the WhatsApp also. Okay. Then in this lesson, our first lesson, me and my family. Me and my family. That is our first lesson. In this lesson, we have to learn ourselves or myself. I want to say myself. I want to learn to say about myself. What are things we have to say about ourselves? What are things we can say? Our name we can say, our age we can say, our class, which class we are studying, which school we are studying, that all things we can say many things. My favorite color, my favorite pet, many things I can say about me. Can you say about you? Can you say about you? Lena? Lena is there? Abdul? Are you listening? Treya? Veda? Alan? Are you listening? Can you say your name? What is your name? Can you say? Say. How will we say? What is your name? How will you say? My name is Alan. Or I will say, how I will say? My name is Divya. Okay. Then Gauri Nanda, how will you say? Atul, can you say? What is your name? Oh, you are very good children. You can say very well. Then next what we can say? How old are you? How old are you? How can you say? How old are you? I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Then in which class you are learning? In which class you are learning? Which is your class? In which grade you are? In which class you are learning? Say all of you. I am in class 1. Okay, I am in class 1. Then what are things you can say? Where is your house? Where is your house? Maybe your house is in Mukkam. My house is in Mukkam. You can say like that. Or where may be your house? Sometimes your house may be in Kudarangi. Like that we can say. Okay, so that we want to learn. What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Say all of you. Harideva, what is your favorite color? Isaac? Kripa, Vishnu, what is your favorite color? Say. Yeah, okay, red, yellow, green, many colors are there. Magenta. Okay. These all are your favorite colors. Okay, very good. Which is your favorite color? You want to write. Complete the page. This is your identity card. This is your identity card. In the identity card, what all things will be there? About myself. About myself. Your ID card, your identity card, what all things will be there? About yourself. Okay, about yourself, your identity card. So, look at the textbook. Everything is there. I will write on the board. Then, take a textbook, all of you, and look this page. Then, one photo position is there, place is there for pasting your photo. Paste your photo here. Then, write your details here. My name is. All of you say, my name is. Say your name. Okay. Then I am dash years old. That you should write 6 years old. Then my birthday is on your birthday. When is your birthday? The date. What is the birthday date? That you want to write. Then I study in class dash. Which class you are studying? Class 1. Which class you are learning? Class 1. I study in. All of you say, I study in class 1. I study in class 1. Then next, which is your school? Which is your school? Which is your school? Palloti Hill Public School. So that you want to write here. I study in Palloti Hill Public School. That enough. Palloti Hill Public School. Okay. Then my house is in dash. Where is your house? Where is your house situated? Your house is in Tiruvambadi. Okay. Your house is in Tiruvambadi, or your house is in, my house is in Mukkam. So where you are living, that place area you should write here. Then my favorite color is dash. Okay, then I show you blackboard. Listen here, all of you. Read this. Me and my family. That is our lesson. Me and my family. All of you say? Okay. Then first you should write and read properly. Okay. If you did not finish, you can write later. Then you ask your parents and write the other details, school names, your place name and all. Now read with me. Okay. My name is Divya AC. You should say your name. Okay. Lena say Lena's name. Isaac say Isaac's name. Okay. Kripa say Kripa's name. My name is Kripa. Okay. Then I am dash years old. I am 6 years old. How can I say? I am 6 years old. Right? Okay, read yourself. My birthday. All of you say? Is on. My birthday is on 13th April. You should say your birth date. Okay. Maybe March 1st or maybe June 1st. So like that you should say your birth date. So my birthday is on 13th April or April 13. Okay. I study in class 1. I study in class 1. Okay. Then I study in, all of you read? I study in Palloti Hill Public School. I study in school. All of you say? Palloti Hill Public School. Okay. Then my house is in dash. Where is my house? I wrote my house is in Mukkam. Where is your house? All of you write and read your area. My house is in Tiruvambadi. My house is in Kudaranyi, Kumbara, like that. You should write like this. The last one, my favorite color is, all of you read, my favorite color is, all of you say, my favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. Red is not your favorite color, I think. Your favorite color you should write here and study. Okay. Then, now in this lesson, we have to, first we have to learn to make an identity card. Make an identity card. I think all of you get this. So, complete this portion. Then I will put this notes. This you should write in your notebook also. So that what all things you want to write in your notebook, I will give in your in the video or as photo. So do this carefully, properly, and paste your photo here. Okay, notes we can write later. Okay, next day we have to write our family members and all we can write next. We can learn next class. Okay, so do this well. I think it is enough for you this day. So we can see again later. Next day we can see. So do properly. Don't forget to do. Everybody learn properly. The parents will help. You have any doubt, you can call me or you can send messages. Save my number and send messages and all. So